Hey guys, it's me, Risa. I was just at Walmart and the bulk store getting some products that I will have to keep me on track for the week and weeks to come, because when you buy a lot of different things like chicken, meat, or chicken, fish, you can also freeze it and have it for other times. And that's really key, to make lots, like I always say, and then you don't have to keep cooking and cooking. Vegetables, on the other hand, you do need to buy regularly. So I bought, of course, garlic powder. I use a lot of garlic powder in so many of my recipes because we like to have flavor, my friends. I love the sliced almonds because they're nice and thin. For a tablespoon, one smart point for those of you on WW, I like to toast them, makes them more flavorful for my muffins, for my cakes, and just as a snack. Talking about snacks, of course, I am a snacker, and sometimes I have a sweet tooth. Well, a lot of times I have a sweet tooth, and I love these sugar-free marshmallowy pigs. I believe they're about 70 calories, and they're fat-free, gluten-free, and really delicious, and satisfies my sweet tooth, even if I have like 5 or 6. Or these exotic fruit gummies. They're like a wine gum to me. I really love them. I love the crisps. I just love these little rice cakes, different flavors they come in. And of course, my veggie straws, the zesty ranch, is delicious. So we're going to be using this ground chicken because my daughter asked for tacos, and we'll make our taco meat. You can get my recipe for that, my chili, my spaghetti sauce, my meatballs, my burgers, chicken muffins. Like, you can find so many of my recipes, obviously, on my channel using the ground chicken. And if there are other recipes that call for beef, you can switch it up, of course, and use chicken so that it's leaner and still a high protein. Of course, I was really happy that the chicken meat was on sale. Both of them were actually on sale. And I like to barbecue my chicken, make cutlets, okay, and then I'll have it for lunches. Throw in a salad, throw it on top of your pizzas. Okay, I love that. I love chicken for any reason, like for anything. Obviously, I eat a lot of chicken. I might even turn into a chicken one of these days. Oh my goodness. But yes, you can cut it and butterfly it so it's easier to cook. Add all kinds of different seasonings. And I recently did a recipe video that you can check out. I love my salmon, and I'm going to be making my teriyaki. I cut it up and I'll put different seasonings on it. And I also love the dill one that I have on my YouTube channel, and an assortment of veggies. So I have my peppers, cucumber, celery, green onions, lettuce, zucchini, broccoli. Okay, so again, you have to buy fresh vegetables regularly. I love my zoodles. I make zucchini noodles, super easy and fast to have with pasta or without pasta, to add to my salads. Broccoli, of course, for so many things. My broccoli, cream of broccoli soup, and I just love it in stir fries, in my salads, steamed, roasted, okay, and a lot of uses for broccoli, and even just to have to dip veggies with. Romaine is great, obviously, for salads, but you can use it also to make sandwiches and add turkey meat, chicken meat, okay, and roll it up and have a low carb kind of snack or a meal. That's really good. I love fresh dill because, I love using it in my new tuna patty recipes or my salmon patties. Just add so much flavor. Add it to your frittatas, your quiche, your omelets, and my celery. Also, I like to add to my tuna patties and different recipes as well, or just have it as a snack. Add some peanut butter, add some cream cheese to it, okay? And my carrots I add to my salad and to my soups, just already shredded, makes your life so easy. Now, I usually buy the light Saputo. I love the Saputo brand, mozzarella. They didn't have the light, but that's okay. I do have other cheese in the house. This is mostly for my daughter, but I just use a little bit less. Okay, everything in moderation. I love these pierogies. They're a Chinese type rice cake, okay? And they are so good. It's a popped grain. They're vegan. They're gluten-free, low carbs, low calories. I think they're 18 calories per pierogi, and you can use them for so many things, okay? Oh, there it is. So these ones are 25 calories. Other ones you can buy that are low fat as well, or lower calories, but these ones are 25 calories, and you could add any kind of protein to them. Have them as a snack with cream cheese, with regular cheese, melt cheese on it, peanut butter, some sugar-free jam. You could even make it into a sweet treat and add fruit to it and a little bit of Cool Whip or whipped cream. Why not a little bit of chocolate or caramel syrup? Okay, there's lots of ideas. You have to get creative, my friends. So just wanted to show you. I think I mentioned, maybe I forgot the sour cream, but we're going to add that to our tacos. My daughter loves sour cream. I love sour cream too. And you can make dips with sour cream. This is only 5%. It's light. So you could add different flavorings to it to dip your veggies. All right. And that's my grocery haul for today. Depending on when you watch this, it doesn't matter. Just to give you some ideas of the things that I like to buy and enjoy on a regular basis. I hope I mentioned my veggie straws. Sometimes I forget things, but I am a snacker and I like different variety. Variety is the spice of life, and it really makes sense because that will keep you on track and enjoy all sorts of amazing recipes. Risa Weiner YouTube. Make sure you've subscribed, ring the bell option so that you don't miss any of my recipes, my podcasts, my strategies and tips, okay? And my Facebook group, WW Tips and Recipes by Risa. I'm on Instagram, WW Risa's Tips. Please share my channel with anybody. They don't have to be on WW Wellness That Works. People that are intermittent fasting or paleo, keto, because my recipes are versatile. All right. Love you guys. Bye for now.